This is the Avantree SoundJet R1, a Bluetooth adapter that allows you to connect up to 2 pairs of wireless headphones to an airplane entertainment system or any aux-enabled audio source at a low latency. In this video, we'll cover the following. On the left of the SoundJet R1 are the volume adjustment buttons. On the front, there are LED indicators that let you monitor your connection and battery level statuses. There's also the multifunctional button that you can use to turn the SoundJet R1 on and off, put it into pairing mode, or help it reconnect to the last paired device. Lastly, there's the charging port located on the bottom. First, turn your smartphone's Bluetooth off if applicable. This will help your headphones connect to the SoundJet R1 without interference. Then, turn on the SoundJet R1 by pressing and holding the multifunctional button for 2 seconds. For first-time use, the SoundJet R1 will enter pairing mode automatically. For any subsequent pairing, press and hold the multifunctional button until the LED flashes red and blue alternately. Once the SoundJet R1 is in pairing mode, you'll need to place your headphones or earbuds into pairing mode as well. If you have AirPods, you can do this by placing both AirPods into their case, opening the lid, then pressing and holding the button on the back of the case until the LED indicator flashes white. Keep them close together for a few seconds and they'll automatically connect. Once connected, this LED indicator will turn solid blue. If you're using headphones or something other than AirPods, the process will differ slightly depending on the brand, but generally you can put them into pairing mode by turning them on, then pressing and holding the power button until the LED starts flashing. If you're not sure how to put your headphones into pairing mode, please consult your device's user manual. Keep them close together for a few seconds and they'll automatically connect. Once connected, this LED indicator will turn solid blue. Lastly, plug the SoundJet R1 into an in-flight entertainment system or any other audio source that has a 3.5 aux output jack. You can connect and listen through up to 2 pairs of headphones if desired. First, after successfully connecting your first pair of headphones, place the SoundJet R1 into pairing mode once more by pressing and holding the multifunctional button until the second LED flashes red and blue. Next, put your second pair of headphones into pairing mode. Keep the SoundJet R1 and your second device close together for a few seconds until they connect. Once connected, both LED indicators here will turn solid blue. You typically won't need to repair your headphones with the SoundJet R1 every time, since once they're successfully paired, they should automatically reconnect when both devices are turned on. If they don't automatically reconnect after a few seconds, you can press the SoundJet R1's multifunctional button once to manually initiate the reconnection process. If they still don't reconnect, you can follow the steps in the pairing your headphones section to connect them once more. If the volume isn't loud enough, try adjusting the volume on both your audio source and the SoundJet R1. For automatic reconnections, make sure your headphones are not already connected to another device when trying to reconnect them to the SoundJet R1. You can turn Bluetooth off on any previously connected devices, disconnect the headphones from the device, or move out of range of the device. If you're not hearing any sound through your AirPods or AirPods Pro, try putting the AirPods back into their charging case for a few seconds with the lid open, then take them out again. If you still don't hear sound, try turning the SoundJet R1 off by pressing and holding the multifunctional button for 3 seconds, then turn it on again. This should restore the audio. If you ever need any assistance with your SoundJet R1, please reach out to us at support@avantree.com or on support.avantree.com. If you found this video helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking on the bell to stay notified of our new product launches. Thanks for watching.